Good morning, students. My name is James Xavier Charles, and I will be your personal teacher for computer science. I'll be taking us on the topic programming language. Now, what is programming language? Programming language is a set of vocabularies that is used to communicate to a computer. It's the set of language that does or that gives the computer instruction on what to do. As we all know that a computer is an electronic machine that accepts data as input and then processes the data. Now, the only way a computer can accept data is if it is communicated in a way that the computer itself can understand it. Now, that is why we bring what programming language as a set of instructions that the computer understands to be able to help us execute some certain tasks assigned to it. Now, we have different levels of language. Each CPU or each processing unit use different level of language. Now, the level of language that is compatible to one system unit might be different to the level of language that is compatible for another system unit. The level of language that is used for one system unit is also different from the level of language that is used for another system unit. That is what brings us to the different types of computer programming language. We have three types of computer programming language, which are the machine language, the high-level language, and the low-level language. I said what? The machine language, high-level language, and the low-level language. Now, what is high-level language? A high-level language is a type of programming language that is closer to English language. It helps a computer programmer or a computer user to be able to give instruction that is closer to English language. Now, a computer system might not be able to understand the high-level language. So a computer now needs to make use of a translator. We call that translator a compiler. That compiler will now help to translate the high-level language or the language closer to English language to a language that the computer itself can understand. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Segun Ayikari Abiodun. I'm here to talk about characteristics of high-level language, programming language. High-level language are abstracted from machine language, and this makes them easy to read and write. 2. High-level language are platform independent. It means that code can run on multiple operating systems. They use syntax that is close to human language, making them more understandable. Example of high-level programming language are 1. Python. This is known for simplicity and versatility. Simple. 2. Java. This is independent and object-oriented. 3. JavaScript. Widely used for web development and scripting. Talk of high-level language make it easier to develop a programming, reducing coding time. 2. Help developers to focus on logic and functionality rather than low-level details, thereby improving productivity. 3. It debugs very quickly because it has inbuilt debugging tools and features. Talk of high-level programming language ideal for 1. Web development and application. 2. Creating desktop and mobile application. 3. Working with data science, machine learning, and analytics. They are widely used in various industries. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan. I'm going to talk about the topic machine language. I'll start by defining machine language. Machine language, also called machine code, is the lowest level programming language consisting of binary code, zeros and ones, that a computer's central processing unit, CPU, can execute directly. Each instruction in machine language performs a very specific task, such as loading data and performing arithmetic. I'll move on to the example of a machine language instructions in binary. First, we have 100110000, 0110001. This could mean move the value of 27 into register AL on an Intel x86 processor. I'll move on to the advantages of machine language. Fast execution. Since it is the native language of the computer, machine language programs execute very quickly. 2. No translation needed. Interpreter or computer is needed. The CPU understands it directly. 3. Full hardware control. Offers directly control over system, hardware, and memory. I'll move on to the disadvantages of machine language. Number 1, we have RISC. reduced instruction set computer. Number two, we have the CISC, computer instruction set computer. Then lastly, we have the microcode.
Good day, my name is Joseph Moses. I'm a personal teacher on programming language, and under the topic, I'll be taking us on a subtopic, which is low-level language. Now, what is low-level language? A low-level language is a type of language that is very close to how a computer hardware actually works. It communicates almost directly with a computer processor. Low-level language can typically be categorized into two main parts, which are the machine language and the assembly language. The machine language are written in binaries, which are the zeros and one. Those are the two languages the computer truly understand. While the assembly language, an assembly language is likely more readable version that uses symbols called mnemonics instead of binary.
My name is Chukwuebuka Emmanuel Undu. I want to summarize on the topic programming language. A programming language is a formal language that provides instructions for a computer to execute. It is a set of rules and symbols used to create software programs, allowing developers to specify action for your computer to perform. Examples of programming language are high-level language, scripting language, low-level language. How programming languages are used? There are various types how programming languages are used. Number one, software development. Examples of software development are building of applications, websites, and other software. Web development, creating of web pages. Number three, game development, developing computer games. Number four, data science and machine learning, analyzing data and building models. In essence, programming languages are tools that enables developers to communicate with computer, give them instructions to execute tasks, and build software.